Welcome to one of our Zionsville kitchens here. This is by far one of my favorites for many reasons. Our customers were phenomenal. That always helps. But the transformation, you'll get to see this if you're seeing it finished. But Jeff will produce this in a way that will show the before and afters to make this kitchen really open up to make room for this enormous island that is just gorgeous. So over here we started out, this is all walls here and there. And we were able to put LVL beams in and totally change the space structurally to open it up and give our customers the dream kitchen they were looking for. And I think we did that. But Carrie, if you don't mind, maybe walk around and just point out some of the features that they selected.
Okay, so we pretty much kept the same layout, and over here we have like a really pretty pale gray cabinet, and we did a quartz top with this really pretty backsplash that matches some of the gray in the countertops. We installed a hood that goes all the way up, and we have a pot filler, which is new to the space. And in the island, we did the microwave down here.
So one feature we did add is seating capabilities on two sides, which is kind of unique. So if you do have a large gathering, you get seating all the way around two sides. Originally, we had a big column that was going to be right here, and we were able to, like I said, open that space up, and we don't have a column anymore.
And over here, there used to be a dining room area, so we have the nice cabinets going all the way across back here. What I really like what they did is they had the glass cabinet with some lighting in there. We also did all under cabinet lighting as well as over the cabinet lighting too, which creates like a really pretty glow at night. And they have this little nice wine beverage fridge there also. Another feature we have here is we used to have a closet style pantry with a door, and we have now pantry cabinets, and they have roll out shelves, which I think is pretty cool.
Another cool feature is they decided to put pull-out drawers for all their coffee mode station area. That's pretty neat.
This drawer is really cool. It has the utensils in there. Pretty nice. And then we have a spice cabinet right here in the drawer.